Good morning, guys. How are you? Myself, Shonok here. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So this is the first video which which I am creating in my own channel, which will give you some information like how you can earn money. Stay tuned. Watch the video. Please share your feedback. I'm welcome to improvise myself by your feedback. My name is Shonok Banerjee over here. Okay, so let's start. So you are seeing that here I opened radioon.com website. So this website actually streams few radio stations which you can listen and you can earn money. Steps is very simple. Yes, but one thing, like, don't depend fully upon this particular channel in order to earn money, because to run a family this particular earning is not sufficient. Yes, but you can try, you can improvise your earning. It will be a help. Right now COVID situation is going on, and in this COVID situation so many guys are working from home, so many guys have loosened their job. So I would request, please see the video and think something different, and try to open a way to earn a new way forward of the money making. So let's start the video. Okay, here you are seeing that there is a sign up process. So I am not going to explain much on the sign up process because it is very easy and you guys obviously can do it. You have to select the sign up. It will open one form where you need to pass your first name, your last name, your email id, and then you have to set your password. After that you have to register it. Once you register, it will generate one id. Then you can select this login option. As already I have logged in and I am having the user ID, so if I select a login, it will automatically log into the system. So don't, I am not spending much of time in this to explain the sign up process, whereas it will be helpful for you guys to explain the web page how it will work. So I am selecting the login option. Once I select the login option, the page will be opening in this way. You see here, over here, this is nothing but a dashboard page. So if you go to account and select dashboard, it will be appearing like that way, but by default it will open the dashboard page. So the guys, those who are doesn't join this particular web page, so it will be navigating to your profile. You can update your information there. Anyway, let's explain how what is this dashboard says. This dashboard is actually explaining you how much earning you are done every day on day basis. Here in these four widgets are there. In these four widgets you will get to know what is your total points earned and what is your dollar value over here. So till now I listened only 89 hours and I earned $0.58. Yes, it is very less because I just joined 1 month before. Okay, let me explain their actually point exchange methodology. So how much point you can earn by listening, how many times, how much times, sorry. Okay, so basically this channel explains you, like, if you learn, if you want to earn, then you have to listen a radio for minimum 15 minutes, you will earn 20.25 points. Likewise, if you listen for 1 hour, you will earn 1 point. Similarly, like that, you have to earn 1000 point, which will give you 300 US dollar. Minimum 5 US dollar you have to earn from this channel, then only you can transfer the amount from this channel to other payout options. Okay, so here actually this page, point exchange page, will explain you uh, what is the current rate is going on. It is 1000 points and 3 USD. You can see that there are few months went like where more USD was declared by the site. So 3.5 USD, same 1000 points. Every month 15th of the day you will get the amount, and you can transfer accordingly. Now I am coming to the main option, like where you can stream the video. So let's go to start earning option. Here you have to select the listen radio. Once you select the listen radio, you will find this page over here, and here you see that 5 channels are running. These first 2 channels will be applicable for Europe and USA. Only person those who are staying Europe and USA, they can access these 2 channel, apart from another 3 channel. But the person those who are staying apart from Europe and USA, they can only use these 3 channels. Not a problem, you can use these 3 channels, it is sufficient. Here they have given the explanation of the channel what they are streaming. Okay, you can just select the start radio. It will navigate you to some other tab, other screen, and there you will find that the gradually the time limit is reducing, and you are earning the money. So once you stream the video, it will be reflecting over here the status, station, IP, and all the other informations and your earnings. Okay, so let's go to the payout option over here. So this is the payout option. You will be able to see that how much amount you have earned from here. As I earned very less, 0.58 USD, so still 4.42 USD is I need to gain from here, and then only I can transfer the amount. Yeah, but I just went through so many reviews. I found that this is the authenticated channel, and you can also learn money. You can also earn money. Yeah, so I'm navigating to the contact and support page of this particular website. So here I would recommend it that you can approach to those web page owners by this email ID, and this is actually the good method to get some information from them. And here the settings option is there. The setting option I will explain you, like here all your payout options and everything is mentioned over here. I'm selecting settings option. You will find that here payment informations are there. I would recommend it that you can use PayPal email address, and with that you can earn money. We can earn money, and you can transfer it from your own account. There is some radio settings over here. In this radio setting, actually some informations are given over here. You can select your own way of viewing your settings. This is the change password option. First you have to give your current password. You have to select change, then you have to provide a new password and repeat password, and then it will be saved. Okay, so just quickly I'm going to your again my dashboard page. Okay, so basically here you are seeing over news section. When you ask a mail reply, they will provide the reply in this news section. You will get to know what is the information. If any queries you have, those queries clarification they will provide you here. It is more informative. Okay, one more important thing I'm just explaining you. Suppose somebody is having website, so they have exposed their own APIs. You can select radio API. Here in this page you will find the exposed APIs. This API you can link with your website, and you can share this link to other users who can listen their video. You know, in India or any abroad, people are more listening about the English music as well, so they can spend their time by listening those musics. So there are 3 formats they have mentioned over here: XML, JSON, and plain URL. So any one of the method you can use it, and you can put in your website. Somebody those are from little bit development background, they can utilize it very well to your website. I'm not going to spend much of my time to explaining this information over here. And yeah, so this is what the website says. Actually, there is pretty simple website, and you can easily earn the money. So I would recommend it that use it. And this is my first video in YouTube, as I told you. So please provide your feedback and comment. I will improvise my quality of the videos and quality of the content and the way I am informing. So please provide your feedback also with my communication. I will try to improve that too as well. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends and family members. And this is an informative video, so please share, put a bell icon below, and try to subscribe my channel, and please motivate me so that I can bring more informative video. Please provide your information there at the description, so that I can try to bring those kind of videos. Thanks watching this video.